Introducing the amazing WaterJet. It turns your ordinary garden hose into a super power washer. Perfect for when a pricey pressure cleaner is too much power, but a hose is too little. Powerful enough to clean second-story windows, remove wasp nests from a safe distance, and reach under eaves without motors, gas, or electricity. Here's how it works. Water flows through the volume reduction chambers where pressure builds until a powerful jet stream blasts through the precision-engineered solid brass tip. The stainless steel control valve easily regulates the water pressure and the force of the jet stream. Great for all your tough outdoor jobs. Blast grime and weeds off brick and paver driveways. Get into hard-to-clean nooks and crannies. Clean wood and aluminum siding, umbrellas and awnings. It attaches to any garden hose so you can take it along boating and camping. The 30-inch wand easily reaches into tight spots. Unlike cheap plastic nozzles, the WaterJet is built to last with heavy-gauge aluminum, stainless steel, and solid brass. The amazing WaterJet is only $19.95. But if you order now, as a bonus, you'll receive the solid brass fan tip that creates a powerful fan-shaped spray. Creates a sweeping water broom for wood decks and docks, patios and pool decks. Easily clean pool filters. Scour away mold. Wash cars and trucks. Scrub dirty truck beds squeaky clean. Dial back the pressure to gently water delicate flowers. One tool that does it all. Call now to get the WaterJet Plus bonus fan tip for only $19.95.